How to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Facebook Marketplace can usually be found at the top shortcut bar. Now, if it is missing, you can always manually pin it in there. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook app and then get logged into your account. Once you get logged into your account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now from here, tap on the three lines menu at the top right of your screen. And there from the menu page, tap on settings and privacy option at the bottom. And there again, tap on settings option. Now once you're in the settings and privacy page, you have to tap on navigation bar on the preference section. And in the navigation bar, choose the very first option, customize the bar. And there you will be able to see marketplace option. And it has been set to auto. Now you have to tap on that auto button. And there from the menu, tap on pin option. Now marketplace has been pinned. Now close your Facebook app completely and then tap and reopen your Facebook app. And there you go, the marketplace icon has been added at the top shortcut bar. Now that was the quick and simple video on how to fix Facebook marketplace icon missing. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.